This is what it looks like if you try to do donuts in a 1999 V6 Mustang. It's pretty sad. So what do you do when you have clapped out garbage that doesn't run very well? You race it off-road. So that's exactly what we're going to do with this video. Stick around.
What's up, boys and girls? Today we figured, hey, we have this Mustang here that's sitting here that isn't mine. It doesn't have registration, doesn't have a tag. Let's race it off-road. And then we had the bright idea, we have 3 other cars that run. Let's race them too and see which one's the fastest. So I decided to mow a racetrack. And we're gonna race them and see which one's the fastest.
This is our finished product. It's about an 1/8 mile long of freshly mowed grass on top of very loose Florida soil with 9 corners of varying size and a decently long front straight. It's no Nordschleife, but it should do just fine for today. So the way this race is going to work is everyone's going to have one warm-up lap, and then after that warm-up lap, when they come back for their flying lap, as soon as they pass the timer starts. They're going to go around, and whenever they pass the timer a second time, the timer ends. There's no... Yeah? Exactly. Mm-hmm. All right, and that's when we go.
This is my 2005 Toyota Matrix, and her name is Betty. Isn't she hot?
All right, driver's interview. This is Heidi. She's going to be piloting the good old Toyota Matrix.
Betty?
Well, what do you think chances are good for tonight?
I think I'm going to come in dead last. But I'm going to do it with style.
All right, that's the kind of confidence that we know and admire. So good luck, stay safe out there, and give us a clean lap, okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I don't think anyone else is going to be able to match that level of full send. About 16 seconds. It's about the far point of the track now. I went a little wide on that corner.
This is my 2017 Honda Fit. It is front-wheel drive. It's the lightest of all the vehicles we're going to drive today, and it is equipped with a manual transmission.
He was holding back that first lap. Adults are just kids with expensive toys. $38.95. This was a car left on our property, a 1999 Ford Mustang. It's aight. Yeah?
She's gonna understeer right into me. Doing better already. It's probably because she has more traction, and the rain kind of stopped a little while ago. Halfway through the track, about 19 seconds. This car doesn't have very good power steering, so she may be, yeah, she spun out a little bit there. Here she comes. 39 seconds, 40. 43, 44. All right, 45.68.
This is my 1994 BMW 325i. It's rear-wheel drive. It's about 3,000 pounds. Makes a little less power than the Mustang, but it is a manual.
This car handles like a dreamboat. Actually, maybe a dreamboat isn't the best metaphor to use. It handles like a dream motorcycle. It handles like a dream scooter.
Thanks for watching. We had a lot of fun making this video.
Yeah, we did.
Looks like the Mustang is the second slowest car that we own.
And it looks like we've got a commentator in the works.
Yeah, he knows how to say go at least.
A go.
There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.